The Ginozo R3 is a wireless range extender to expand your current Wi-Fi range. The product comes with 1 pack or 2 pack. When you open the box, you will see the device and user guide under it. Make sure you read the user guide before start to set up. The R3 cannot be used as a wireless router as it does not have an Ethernet port. Plug R3 on a power strip or wall charger to optimize signal receiving. Do not put it too far from the wireless router. Keep antennas vertical to the ground. Wait until the light turns into blinking red. Prepare a laptop, phone, or tablet to set up R3. You may find the default Wi-Fi name on product label. Then connect to the R3 Wi-Fi signal. Open a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or IE. Visit logwifi.com, logwifi.com. This is the address of the management console. Select your base wireless router name. Click Next. Enter the base Wi-Fi password. Set the extender Wi-Fi name and password. For example, we name it Jane Bedroom. If you tick on the option Set Extender Wi-Fi Name same as base Wi-Fi, the extender will not have a separate Wi-Fi name and password. We recommend you set separate Wi-Fi name for each R3 extender. Click Finish and wait for a few seconds to complete. Now connect to the new Wi-Fi Jane Bedroom. If you see the page says Extension failed, you may have input the wrong base Wi-Fi password in previous step. Start over and try again. To reset the extender to the original factory settings, you could find the Reset button on the bottom of the extender. Plug it to the power source. Then use a sharp item like pen. Press it for 10 seconds. Till the light turns to blinking red, extender is resetted. Here is our service card. You could find our Ginozo customer service link. Or you can contact us directly on Amazon. Hope you have a good time with our product. Thank you.